Hi everyone, this is Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. So my name is Kezia and basically I am a full-time health psychologist and gestalt therapist, but I love creating content and doing this in my free time whenever I can, and obviously getting to know you guys as well. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, I hope that maybe you get to stay. So today's video is going to be about a brand, a nail brand called Nail Reserve. They are a vegan and cruelty-free nail company, basically, which do gel polish and basically help to empower and give your nails some color. Oh, that rhymes actually, quite good. This is what we're going to be doing today. If it's something that you want to stay tuned into, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. This box is packaged very well. Okay, so we have the mini UV LED lamp, which is basically like this. So we have a nail lamp. I don't get this box. Okay, this box is quite interesting. It's like it has like little compartments, but anyways. So we have over here the base coat and the top coat over here, so that is exciting. And then over here we have the 3 different nail shades that I chose. So the first one that I chose was this one called Iced Coffee. So this one's Iced Coffee, and I think this is the one I'm going to do because it's very autumn-like. And then we have this one, which is actually called Marry Me. So this one is Marry Me. And then this blue one, which is actually quite cool, it's called Another Glass. So it's Another Glass. So these are the different nail polishes that we have. And then we have the mini UV LED lamp, which I am going to open up now. Oh my god, it is really tiny. So the lamp, you would place it, I suppose, like this. And then you also have this, which is the cord. And we can just put this in like this. And then I have a wire here. Okay, so pretty cool. Basically, probably one button setting, and you can either set it for 45 seconds or 60 seconds. So I also got some stuff from my end to help us do our nails. So the first thing that I love doing, obviously when doing my nails, is basically filing them down. So today what we're going to be doing is basically I'm going to try this Nail Reserve out. I've never tried this one before. Very excited. Now, something else that I also like doing before applying gel polish, I like applying some nail polish remover on my nails before applying the product, because this kind of cleans anything that is on your fingers. We're going to start by applying the base. I think something that's always important is that you shake the nail polish. It's just a clear product. So then I'm going to just place it, and I'm going to give 60 seconds basically. Let's just read a little bit about Nail Reserve. They try to provide us with access to the best manicures in the comfort of our own home. They promise to keep our nails healthy with affordable and salon quality soak-off gel polishes, and prioritize our well-being with the safest ingredients. They promise to keep our nails healthy, powerful, beautiful, and jolly. The gel polishes with the color are designed and formulated in a way to get incredible colors, but with good formulas as well. The gels can be worn in a way that works for you at all times, whatever the weather and whatever the occasion, even for short or even for long nails. At Nail Reserve, they believe in the right to empowerment. We celebrate this by offering easy access to salon quality gel nail polish that is also healthy no matter where you are on the globe, and giving you the tools to create magic on your own. Basically have a variety of 200 plus shades of soak-off gel polish, and they continue to bring fresh colors and formulas each season, so you're never bored and your nails can live their best life in any single shade. So I really like that. Then this is the base coat applied on my other hand. So the color that I think I'm going to be choosing is this one, which is Iced Coffee. So I cannot wait to see this color on my nails. So basically the base coat has been applied, and now I'm going to apply the first layer of the iced coffee shade. So I think first thing, actually, let's shake it up. So basically all it says is that we have to apply it and cure it for over 30 seconds, but I don't know, I do it for a minute because I think like that it would be easier. So I'm just going to start from my ring finger. Curing it now. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds because that's what I like doing. So this is one layer. And to be honest, I mean, one layer looks really good. So I don't think I'm going to be applying a second layer, which is usually what I would do. So these are the nails so far. And to be honest, I think, I don't know, I think one coat should be enough. Oh, thank you. Oh, how sweet. Luke got me a tea. That is so sweet. Okay, I'm just going to put it here. And we'll take our tea in between. I might put another coat actually. So I'm going to do my thumb. So good. I'm just going to apply another coat. And I will leave it for 60 seconds. I mean, these are my nails so far. And actually really like the color. So now I cannot wait to kind of apply both coats, and then I'll apply the no wipe top because I want to feel how they actually feel when I apply the top coat. So I'll be right back after I would have gone over all of them. So we have got our nails all cured. And now I'm going to just basically use the no wipe top. So I'm very excited to obviously use this one. We'll cure it. I always like curing them for 60 seconds because like that you'd be the safest. So I'm just very excited now to see and feel the end result. So now I'm going to apply the top coat on my other nails, and it's very important that the top coat and the base coat are thin layers. That feels absolutely beautiful. I love that. Okay, so the top coat makes them feel absolutely beautiful, and it feels like I went to the nail salon. I absolutely love this shade. I'm curious to try these two shades out as well. So the top coat really does its job. So you definitely, if you're going to try and purchase these, I would definitely recommend obviously you getting the base coat and the top coat, because without them kind of you won't get the full effect of Nail Reserve. But absolutely love them. And what I know as well about the website is that they have different gel polishes as well. So they have different finishes too. It's not just the soak off gel polish, but they have other finishes as well. So you can definitely check out their website. I'll leave everything linked in the description box as well. I also have a 50% discount code, and you can use it at checkout and just enter KezziesCorner and you will get 50% off your order, which I think is amazing. So thank you so much to Nail Reserve for obviously providing this for my, thanks to you guys, because obviously without you guys this working with other brands wouldn't be possible. So thank you as well to Nail Reserve for obviously collaborating with me as well. It truly means a lot. So here I am applying the top coat, and I just have to apply the top coat on this nail and I will be all set and my nails will all be done. You do this, they feel like really smooth, and try and not obviously touch your cuticle when applying them, because then they will easily lift as well. So basically these are the nails all applied with my soak off gel polish iced coffee. Thanks to Nail Reserve. I absolutely love them, and they feel so smooth and nice. I really like that. That's what I love. I love the feeling of that. Okay, so that was basically today's video. I absolutely would recommend you trying Nail Reserve because number one, the products do what they say they are supposed to do. And also I was very impressed because with one coat. To be honest, I think I would have been covered, so you don't even have to apply 2 coats in my opinion. I think it depends on the color and if it closes off, but this one really closed off very, very nicely. And this for me is also a fall color as well, so yes, happy fall. Thank you so much to Nail Reserve. Thank you to you guys. Don't forget I have a discount code. It's KezziesCorner for 50% off your Nail Reserve order. And yeah, that is all from me. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. See you guys. Ciao!